In this video, we are going to construct an angle bisector using our compass and straight edge. Now we know from the angle bisector conjecture that if a point falls on the angle bisector, then it must be equidistant from the sides. If we think about the converse of that, if we can find at a minimum of 2 points that are equidistant from the sides, it means they must fall here on this angle bisector. Now we already know one of them. Let's call that point Q. Q is technically equidistant from the sides. We also know by the definition of an angle bisector, it has to contain the vertex. So we really only need to find one more point somewhere out here that's the same distance away from those two sides. Okay, we're going to put our compass on Q. We're going to draw an arc just kind of midway through the angle here. And these intersection points are just going to help us kind of narrow our thinking instead of just thinking about the sides as a whole. If we can now find 2 points that are equidistant from P and R, they will also fall on the angle bisector. It is okay to adjust your compass setting at this point. We're going to put our compass on P. Everything on this arc that I'm drawing is equidistant from P. Now is a set it and forget it step. Do not adjust the slider. We're going to repeat that process on R. Everything that's on this arc is equidistant from R, and then this very special point here, we'll call it S. We like because it's equidistant from both P and R, which means it will fall on the angle bisector. So we're just going to draw ray QS with the help of our straight edge. Okay, let me do that one more time. I'll use an obtuse angle this time. The steps are the same, just a little more room for error here because we have to swing some bigger arcs. They don't always intersect each other when we want them to. So let's do the same thing here. Okay, compass goes, I'll use some letters here as well. Compass is going to go on the vertex B. Draw an arc that goes just midway through your angle. Make sure you get 2 intersection points. We'll call those A and C for now. We need to now find another point that's equidistant from A and C. So feel free to adjust your compass setting if you'd like. I'm going to move mine out a little bit because it looks like now they may get close to maybe not even intersecting each other. So I'm just going to bring mine out a little bit. I'll draw a nice little arc here. Okay, keep in mind kind of where your end goal is. You want to make sure that that arc looks like it will actually pass through the middle. You should not change your compass setting now. Let's repeat that on C. We're looking for this intersection. We'll call it D. It's special again because it falls on the angle bisector, since we know it's equidistant from both sides. Okay, here we go. So again, this is finding an angle bisector. If you want to include tick marks on there, you can. It's a little redundant, but you can do that. And then our nickname for this one is the bow and arrow. If you kind of turn it sideways, you can see the bow and the arrow shooting through. Okay, hope that helped. Thanks for watching.